Good morning everyone, this is Tanya Milan from the Self-Sufficient Homestead, and this morning we're going to make a pain salve. So the things we need is a jar. I'm using a 250 ml Consol jar. We need some organic cayenne pepper, some avocado oil and some beeswax. So this is a very easy method I'm going to show you. So first of all, we take our cayenne pepper and we want to put in 7.5 mils of cayenne pepper into our jar. Next, we take a 1/4 cup of beeswax. Okay, so we've got our cayenne and our beeswax inside. Now for our avocado oil, we're going to be using 1/2 cup of avocado oil. Now the reason why I like avocado oil is because it's got a high smoking point. It's low in protein, so it doesn't go rancid easy. And it is taken up into the skin very easily, which means your skin is not so greasy. So 1/2 cup of avocado oil. So the next step is putting this in your oven at 132 degrees Celsius or 270 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately an hour. I'm going to show you when it's done. Alright, so our balm has been in the oven for an hour. As you can see, everything has dissolved. So let's just open this up. And all we're going to do now is just give it a good stir. And while it's cooling down, you want to be doing this a few times so the cayenne keeps mixing with the oil and the beeswax. And that's all there is to it. A homemade pain salve. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe, like the video, comment, ask me what else you would like to see. Thank you. Bye bye guys.